Hi crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. I was working on some thank you cards for my kids' teachers and I was mass producing them, and I thought I could give you a tip on how to make that happen a little easier for you. So what I will do is I'll show you the card panels that I had already stamped, and so I'm just kind of using a variety of colors, and did a repeat stamping. And then so what my plan is that I have the Gina K Designs Playful Posies. I backed a sheet of paper with double-sided adhesive to make it easier to just stick these on. But basically what I will do is put a little posy in the middle, and then I'm going to use the Simon Says Stamp Airy Greetings, and I'm going to use the thank you and put it on the bottom here. So I just wanted to show you how I did the stamping for this, because it was really easy and it was very quick to mass produce. I have my regular size Misty today, and it has the waffle flower grip mat in there, which is great for this technique because you need to be able to move the cardstock up and down in the Misty. So put the card front in, and I'm going to use on the top one, this is Waterfall by Pinkfresh. And I'll stamp each layer a couple of times just to make sure it looks smooth and not blotchy. Alright, one more time on this one. So the reason why I'm using the bigger Misty today is so that I can move this up and have enough room to do that. So I had figured out that the second stamping, well, for me, I have this panel is a 4 by 5 1/4. So here's the first one. It ends up at the 3 1/4 line. So then if I move it up to 2 1/2, that is in just the right spot. Do that one more time. And this is the Pinkfresh Turquoise color. I love when they have the packs with the multiple shades of the inks, so then you know that they are going to match with each other. And a little bit more. And then for me, the next one was 1 5/8. You don't really need to wipe off in between, because the colors are going from light to dark and they're in the same family, but if you were changing it to, you know, from a dark to a light or changing colors altogether, then you would want to wipe off in between. Okay, and so this one is all set, and I'm actually going to go again and use the 3 darker colors. So the one that I just used is actually going to be my mid, so I will put that back at 2.5. And just keep using the color that I was using. And you can decide how far apart you want to move the cardstock up, and you'll get a different look depending on how far apart the paint swash things are. Alright, I'm going to go up to the 1 5/8 so I can do the darker color without washing off. Oh, I like the way that looks together. Alright, and then I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom so I can do the top one there, and because I'm going from dark to light, I am going to wipe this off. Alright, so, oh, I'm sorry. The darkest one was the Pinkfresh Atlantis, and the one before that was the Pinkfresh Paradise. So we're going back to, right now, the turquoise for the top color. And once you get a rhythm going, it goes by really, really quickly, and it's easy to do when you have a lot of cards to make and you don't have a lot of time to do it. Alright, I think I'll do one more. Okay. So here we have the first 3 colors of this 4-pack, so this one, this one, this one, and then this one we did the last 3. So you get a little bit of variation while you're mass producing your cards. So I hope you find that helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Like, subscribe, all Adelios, and I will link any products that I use in below on the description. So thank you very much and have a great day. Till next time.